My mom, she was like, let's go get breakfast and you can drive. And now she's like, actually, you're not driving. So I'm waiting for them. And they're coming in their car, like my parents. So yeah, so they lied and I'm just here in my car waiting like some escaped convict. Like that's how I feel right now. Dude, I keep thinking someone's gonna walk past my car, like somebody walking their dog or something, because people do that. And I'm just like, I'm gonna have to update later because I can't do this. I can't do this right now. I have the power. wait. What? Oh my god.
Eso es el invierno que va hasta aquí en Puerto.
You want to be in the video? Haters. You want to be in the video? What is it? Oh, a turtle. You see it? Look at this turtle. The little fishes came to follow me. Little fishes came to follow me. Let's do all this wrong.
Dame un mes o dos allá y yo te hago saber.
Good. Run! Ma, they're up there. Oh my god.
¿Hay otros más?
They're up. God, we have to run. But yours is better because it's not flat. Mine gets really flat. Remember when you took a picture of me the other day? It looked really flat.
Yeah,
It looks really
poco
flat.
pelo. Yo tengo
Yeah.
pelo de burro.
What is that? If you left it long, it could look just like mine.
Yo me vería como una vieja queriendo ser mamá.
They want food. The
Mira,
poor
si te vas a
fishies.
hacer fotos para cualquier... Voy a sacarle un video a Keila.
You can do it right now.
Oh, right now?
Just with the...
Okay.
Déjame echarle a comer a los peces.
This and
Sácalo.
you can do it right now.
Okay.
We can do a close up on the fishes. No? Is it good? It look lighter on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Voy a estar en... ¿Sabes qué? Voy a hacer un pelicano.
Wow, it looks nice with all these leaves. Actually, it looks really nice. Look at all this. Dang, look how pretty. There's the leaves, and there's the waterfall. Oh, that's nice, Eddie.
Clear. No tiene nada. se ve verde.
It's a good idea. Wow. Some people are running.
Ya los bambús, qué bonito.
This is nicer than the zoo because there's not tortured animals around here.